students, welcome to the next video of differential equation. In today's video we are going to see how to solve the linear differential equation. As I told you in previous video, to solve a differential equation we have two methods. One is variable separation method and the other one is linear differential equations. Now in today's video we are going to see how to solve the linear differential equations. So a differential equation of the form dy upon dx plus py equal to q, where p and q are constants or functions of x only, is called a first order linear differential equation. Okay, so linear differential equation you can easily identify. It will be in the form of dy upon dx plus py equal to q, where p is a only function of x, even q is also only function of x. In p and q there is no y variable, no y term, only x terms will be there. Then steps to solve first order linear differential equation is, first step is to write the given differential equation in the form dy upon dx plus py equal to q. Okay, so if it is not exactly given in this form, then first step we will write the given differential equation in dy upon dx plus py equal to q form. Okay, after writing in this form, second step is to find the integrating factor. So integrating factor will be e raised to integral of p dx. Okay, so in second step we will find the integrating factor, means we are going to use the formula e raised to integral of p dx, and in third step we will use the solution of linear differential equation, and for that we use the formula y into integrating factor, that is equal to integral of q into integrating factor dx plus c. Okay, now make a note, if the given differential equation is in the form dx upon dy, then p1 into x equal to q1, where p1 q1 are constant or function of y only, then integrating factor will be e raised to integral of p1 dy, and the solution of the differential equation is given by x integrating factor equal to integral of q1 into integrating factor dy plus c. Okay, so if it is given in this form, that means if y is an independent variable and x is a dependent variable, then we can change this integrating factor and solution of a linear differential equation accordingly. In this also we will substitute x as y. Okay, so now let us see some example. So the first example is, find the integrating factor. Only they are interested in finding the integrating factor of 1 plus x square dy upon dx plus y is equal to e raised to tan inverse x. Now as we can see that the differential equation is 1 plus x square dy upon dx plus y is equal to e raised to tan inverse x. Now we will rewrite this by dividing both the side by 1 plus x square. So when we divide this first term with 1 plus x square, we get only dy upon dx term, then plus 1 upon 1 plus x square into y, that is equal to e raised to tan inverse x upon 1 plus x square. Okay, now this is exactly in the form of dy upon dx plus py, where this is the p term, py is equal to this whole term is q. Okay, so p is 1 upon 1 plus x square and q is e raised to tan inverse x upon 1 plus x square. Now let us see the integrating factor. So for integrating factor, formula is e raised to integral of p dx. Okay, so first let us integrate p Okay, so integral of p means integral of 1 upon 1 plus x square dx. Integral of 1 upon 1 plus x square is tan inverse x. So integrating factor is e raised to integral of p dx. So e raised to tan inverse x. Okay, so this is the required integrating factor. So for finding the integrating factor, first step is find p and then use this formula. Okay, now let's see next example. So second example is solve x dy upon dx plus y is equal to x cube. Okay, so again as we can see that here x term is there. We don't want this x term because linear differential equation in that form is dy upon dx plus py is equal to q, and that's why we will divide throughout by x. So by dividing throughout by x, we get dy upon dx plus 1 upon x into y is equal to x square. So now p is 1 upon x and q is x square. Okay, now we will integrate p. So integral of 1 upon x dx. Now integral of 1 upon x is log x. Okay, so integrating factor is e raised to integral of p dx. So e raised to log x. Now e and base of log is also e. So this is equal to only x. So we get integrating factor as x. Now let us find the solution of this linear differential equation. So first we have to write the formula. So y into integrating factor is equal to integral of q into integrating factor dx plus c. So y into x, because integrating factor is x, is equal to integral of x square into x into dx plus c. So xy is equal to integral of x cube dx plus c. So xy is equal to x raised to 4 upon 4 plus c. Then next, solve x plus 1 dy upon dx minus y is equal to e raised to x into x plus 1 upon whole square. Okay, now again we don't want this 1 plus x, right? We don't want this x plus 1. So we'll divide throughout by 1 plus x. So we get dy upon dx minus 1 upon 1 plus x into y is equal to e raised to x into x plus 1. We divide both the side by x plus 1. Now we get p as minus 1 upon 1 plus x and q as e raised to x into x plus 1. Now we will find the integrating factor. So before that we will integrate p with respect to x. So that means minus will come outside the integral. So minus integral 1 upon 1 plus x dx. So that is equal to minus log 1 plus x, and that is equal to log 1 upon 1 plus x. So integrating factor will be e raised to integral of p dx. So that is equal to e raised to log 1 upon 1 plus x. Now again base is same. So log and e will be cancelled out. So that will be only 1 upon 1 plus x. Okay. So I got integrating factor as 1 upon 1 plus x. Now I will find the solution for the given differential equation. So for that I am going to use this formula. So y into integrating factor. So integrating factor is 1 upon 1 plus x. So y into 1 upon 1 plus x is equal to integral of e raised to x into x plus 1 into 1 upon 1 plus x dx plus c. So y upon 1 plus x is equal to this x plus 1 cancel. So integral of e raised to x dx plus c. Now integral of e raised to x is e raised to x plus c. So finally I get y is equal to e raised to x plus c into 1 plus x, which is a required general solution of the given differential equation. So the solution is y is equal to e raised to x plus c into 1 plus x. So see one more example. So question is, solve the differential equation dy upon dx plus y tan x is equal to cot square x. Okay, now it is already given in linear form, dy upon dx plus py is equal to q. So p is tan x and q is cos square x. Now to find the integrating factor, first we have to find integral of p dx. So that means integral of tan x dx, and we know that integral of tan x is log sec x. So log sec x. Okay, then we use this integrating factor formula. So integrating factor is integral of p dx. Okay, so that will be integral of if is e raised to integral of p dx. So integral of log sec x. Okay, so that is equal to, since the base of log is also e, so e and log will be cancelled out, so that is equal to only sec x. So integrating factor is only sec x. Now we find the solution of given differential equation. For that we use the formula y into integrating factor, that is equal to integral of q into integrating factor dx plus c. So y into sec x is equal to integral of cos square x into sec x dx plus c. So y into sec x is equal to integral of this cos square x into sec x is 1 upon cos x dx. So this 1 cos x will be cancelled out, so that will be integral of cos x dx plus c. Okay, now integral of cos x is sin x. So finally we get the solution as y sec x is equal to sin x plus c, which is the required general solution of given differential equation. Okay, so with this I am concluding this video. Thank you students.